Hey, if you're watching this video, then you're probably looking to add a Suica card to Samsung Wallet. Unfortunately, this is impossible due to some limitations for Android devices in general, but in this video, I will provide some workarounds that may help with using a Suica card. So for workaround one, just know that most non-Japanese Android phones won't work because you either need to have a dedicated mobile Felicia chip or a global platform-based secure element with Felicia applet. So you would have to outsource, find a Japanese Android phone that has Felicia integrated if you still want to use an Android phone. Workaround two, you can buy or trade your Android phone for a new iPhone that's from iPhone 7 and up. Three, you just need to buy a physical Suica card. I dropped 2 links down below that can help explain it in more detail. But yeah, hopefully this helps. And let me know if you have any questions.